Lagi kay
Ani magkuhag tamilok.
dalon ni manang gina sila ha.
See? This is the architect on this wood. How they can make a hole on this wood. This is so soft. Let's try and let's eat and enjoy the moloks tamilok like an oyster.
Nanay tamilok kuno guys oh.
Ano tanan ako ha guys. Sila nagbugha,
Okay,
sila
gibugha ni
nagsalom.
namo ha. Amo aning gibughang kahoy dire. So mao di ay ni ilang gitawag na tamilok. Or tatod ko ilang gina. Oh, kita kana.
Suka.
Oh.
Oh, landong na.
With suka, put suka. Naman tag video ato na.
Oh, very good na si anak kay kamao na siya makaon. And our background. Blue skies, green everywhere. Fresh air. And with this
Tas na tumanang.
amazing people behind. They are very natural. Here, no filter.
Salamat manang. Salamat. Thank you so much to